So now we have our Anaconda prompt already open, and we are in the directory where our ChronoSeq repository is stored. So to open our IPython notebook files, we'll simply type in Jupyter Notebook, and this will open up a browser window with all the files in our repository. Now, the repository has been organized such that there are two main files which redirect you to all the different parts of the repository which are relevant to whatever step of the process for running the device you are at. So for example, this notebook, ChronoSeq Overview, gives you an overview of how the device works. You can also execute a cell here and watch a video of the simplified explanation of how the device works, like so. And this basic principle of executing different cells is how you can look at a lot of different videos for how different steps in the protocol for assembly or the library preparation or the chemical synthesis happens. So all you need to do is execute a cell, and then you can see it directly takes you to a YouTube video that can be played within the Jupyter Notebook. There are also different links which are provided directly in the notebooks, which tell you what needs to be bought, what components are needed, ordering information, etc., to get all the things you need to build this thing. There's also library preparation protocols. There's different synthesis protocols, and all of them have the same basic idea. There's executable cells, and there's text and images and videos embedded in the same document. And you can simply click on different links to get to either a folder where different files are stored, to buy a specific product, or you can execute a cell to watch different videos. And there are two main notebooks which are of note. So the first most important notebook is your device assembly and setup notebook. This tells you what are the initial components you need to order, and then links to other notebooks for completing tasks before you go ahead and run the actual device. So in this example, you can see there are different protocols for manufacturing the microfluidic chips. There are different protocols for assembling components of the device, and all you need to do is click on the link, and it will take you, for example, to another notebook where it's explained how these different components have to be assembled to make that particular device or component for the ChronoSeq device. There's also the notebook for operating and running the ChronoSeq device, and this notebook starts you through the different things you need to check before you run the device, and also the different chemicals or different other protocols you need to see. For example, lysis buffer protocol, protocol for making the cells, etc., before you get started and run the actual device. And once you're done with the repository with all the different notebooks, you can simply quit, and this will shut down the Jupyter Notebook.